step by step, please look at this wonderful breathing that could really help you counter stress, anxiety, panic disorders. Also, we are finding the reason why this pranayam could be really effective. So let's lie down on the mat, arms besides your body. In Vashish pranayam, we are using abdominal breathing. It is nostril breathing. Inhale. Exhale. In Vashish pranayam, while breathing, our stomach was fully engaged. Most important is that you breathe completely through your stomach area, your abdominal region. Because when we start breathing from our stomach, all the nerves, all nadis get purified. Also, your navel point is the area of Manipur chakra. In your solar plexus chakra, your all nadis are connected. They are only using their chest while breathing. Always remember, the more your breath is deep, the more you are living a comfortable life. So while using breath, our belly should be fully engaged. Again, I am repeating, when you are inhaling in Vashish pranayam, your stomach should expand, and while exhaling, your stomach should go inside. It means your Manipur chakra, your all nadis are purifying, ensures blood is supplied to every organ of the body. And there is one secret why this pranayam activates your sleep. It calms you because through deep breathing, we are activating our parasympathetic nervous system. Basically, we are living in fight and flight mode, which is called sympathetic nervous system. When any problem, any situation comes, we want to fight or we want to escape from it. So that is not good for our mental health. So through this pranayam, we are activating our parasympathetic nervous system, which is also called relax and digest mode. So when this system activated, you are completely relaxed. You become calm. Your body relaxes and digests better. When any situation comes, you are still having a peaceful situation. It means action plus relaxation. You are joining both of these. When parasympathetic nervous system is activating, our all disease vanishes. We are having sound health. We achieve better health, better relationships, better understanding, and better mental health. You must be wondering how much time we should spend in Vashish pranayam to activate our parasympathetic system. We should start from 5 minutes and it could be extended to even 15 and 30 minutes. You have to spend more and more time in Vashish pranayam because when we start deep breathing, our system gets relaxed. Our cardiovascular system, when we are using deep breathing, we are activating our neurological system, respiratory system, and cardiovascular system. So Vashish pranayam is very effective to silence your mind so that you avoid unnecessary tension and anxieties. So Vashisht Pranayam is very effective in controlling your mind, which ensures that you get sound sleep. Whenever you have free time, you can use this pranayam. But I would suggest early in the morning and before going to bed, especially just before going to bed, you can use Vashisht breathing. And in few minutes, you will be feeling top of this world. You will be feeling that your mind is getting silenced. In few minutes, you will see a great transformation inside you. Your mind is becoming more silent and peaceful, which would result in good sleeping. Still, you have any questions regarding Vashisht Pranayam? You may ask me anytime.